and welcome to the Forensic Update. I'm Bill Duffin. We're taking a look back at some of the year's top stories and trends and seeing what forensic science might have in store in the coming year. One of the big headlines in 2015 came from a USA Today report on untested sexual assault kit backlogs nationwide. While this issue is not new, the public conversations have increased dramatically since the report was published in July. Backlogs may exist for a variety of reasons, but what matters now is finding short and long-term solutions. The increased use of bioscreening programs is a solution worth exploring. You can download a free white paper on our website. Another theme that left its mark on 2015 is fingerprints. Two chemists at the National Institute of Standards and Technology accidentally discovered a way to date them. Using a technique called time-of-flight secondary ion spectrometry, they focused on the migration of fatty acids to predict the age of the print. If approved for fieldwork, this could help investigators narrow it down to the prints that matter the most. Just this month, researchers from the University at Albany, State University of New York, released new findings saying fingerprints can be used to determine the sex of the person who left them behind. Women have a higher concentration of amino acids in their sweat than men. The new technique extracts sweat from a print with heated dilute hydrochloric acid, and then a colorimetric test is used to read the results. The study, published in Analytical Chemistry, reports the test even worked on doorknobs and desktops. Big waves in wildlife preservation were also made using fingerprints. Techniques were found to lift prints from feathers and tusks, surfaces historically difficult for lifting prints. Wildlife rangers now have new tools to help catch poachers and prevent further illegal killings. Animals were also put to work in 2015 in assisting with bomb detection. First, the Morpho butterfly inspired GE scientists to develop a color-changing sticker that detects chemicals and explosives. The stamp-sized sticker will cost less than $1 to produce and result in significant energy savings. We also introduced you to the Gambian pouch rat that can sniff out and detect landmines. Since they only weigh about 3 pounds, the rats are too light to set off the explosives, keeping them safe as they navigate the fields. Learn how you can virtually adopt a hero rat at apopo.com. Elephants never forget. A smell, apparently. The U.S. Army is using these giants to help detect bombs. The researchers in South Africa say the elephants remember training longer than dogs. No need to explain why they won't be in the field searching for landmines, but scientists use drones to bring back scent samples to a trained elephant to identify a possible danger. Looking forward to 2016, there are a few trends that we think will make headlines. Here's NFSTC Communications Specialist Michelle Chernikoff to tell you more.
Forensic science is poised to have a big year in 2016. First up, a new test to help catch doping in the Rio Olympics. Chemists from the University of Waterloo developed a saliva test they say is cheaper and faster than traditional urine tests. The analysis only takes 30 minutes, which means cheaters wouldn't even make it to the medal podium. It works through an application of solid phase microextraction, or SPME, extracting the drugs directly from the saliva. Individual trials still need to be completed before the technique is adopted by the World Anti-Doping Agency. NYPD will be issued crime-fighting smartphones in 2016. Equipped with special apps, the phones will link directly to the agency's mainframe and will be able to immediately share vital information with more than 39,000 police officers. From photos to fingerprints, the phones will be an added tool for the men and women protecting the nation's largest city. Forensic science disciplines often have perishable skill sets. While government funding for training has declined, the need for it hasn't. A survey from the IACP found agencies want training including crime analysis, crime scene investigation, and DNA technology. We expect to see an increase in online training offerings because they are a cost-effective way to enhance training without sacrificing quality. NFSTC believes this is a great solution and has 4 online courses available now on our website. We think this trend will be much more widely adopted starting in 2016.
Well, that'll do it for us here at the Forensic Update in 2015. For Michelle Chernikoff and all of us here at NFSTC, I'm Bill Duffin. Have a safe and happy new year, and we'll see you in 2016.